Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of self-driving cars and how their success is set to transform the automotive industry. First up, let's talk about safety. Self-driving cars have the potential to greatly reduce accidents on the road by eliminating human error. With advanced sensors and AI technology, these vehicles can react quicker and more accurately than a human driver ever could. Next, let's discuss convenience. Imagine being able to sit back, relax, and let your car do all the work during your daily commute. Self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize transportation by making travel more efficient and stress-free for everyone. As we look ahead to the future of self-driving cars, it's clear that this technology has the power to completely change the way we think about transportation. So buckle up, because the future is bright for self-driving cars. Uplifting ending sentence. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget.
Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the top 3 places for consistent 3D printing growth. First up, Silicon Valley. Known for its tech-savvy environment and forward-thinking mindset, Silicon Valley is a hotspot for 3D printing innovation. With a plethora of resources, funding opportunities, and a supportive community, this is the perfect place for 3D printing startups to thrive. Next, we have Shenzhen, China. As the world's manufacturing hub, Shenzhen offers access to cutting-edge technology, affordable manufacturing services, and a vast pool of skilled professionals. This bustling city is a mecca for 3D printing companies looking to scale their operations and reach a global market. And finally, Munich, Germany. Home to leading 3D printing companies and research institutions, Munich is at the forefront of additive manufacturing technology. With a strong emphasis on quality and precision, this city is ideal for companies looking to push the boundaries of 3D printing. So there you have it, the top 3 places for consistent 3D printing growth. Wherever you choose to set up shop, remember that innovation knows no boundaries. Keep pushing the limits and watch your ideas come to life in 3D.
Hey there. Are you interested in diving into the world of quantum computing but struggling to stay focused? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, set specific goals for your quantum computing journey. Whether it's understanding complex algorithms or mastering quantum mechanics, having a clear vision will keep you motivated and on track. Next, eliminate distractions. Find a quiet and organized workspace where you can fully immerse yourself in your studies. Turn off notifications on your phone and limit interruptions to maintain your focus. By setting goals and eliminating distractions, you'll be well on your way to developing the focus needed for quantum computing. Remember, it's all about dedication and consistency. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead, take that first step towards mastering quantum computing. Your future self will thank you.
Hey there, friends. Today, let's talk about boosting self-esteem in neural networks and how it's the key to the AI revolution. When neural networks have high self-esteem, they are more confident in their decision-making abilities. This boosts their performance and efficiency, leading to groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence. Just like how belief in ourselves can propel us to achieve great things, confidence plays a crucial role in the success of AI technology. Now, imagine a world where self-assured neural networks can accurately analyze complex data, make informed predictions, and even learn from their own mistakes. This self-esteem boost not only enhances the capabilities of AI systems but also opens up endless possibilities for innovation and progress in various industries. So, let's continue to nurture and empower our neural networks, allowing them to reach their full potential and drive the AI revolution forward. Remember, confidence is the key to unlocking a brighter and smarter future for all of us. Uplifting ending sentence, together, let's build a world where self-esteem fuels the AI revolution. Flexed biceps robot face hush boosting self-esteem hush AI future.
Hey there, friends. Have you ever wondered why smart homes are becoming so popular these days? Well, I've got a surprising reason for you. One of the main reasons smart homes are succeeding is because of their convenience. Imagine being able to control your lights, thermostat, and even your coffee maker with just a few taps on your smartphone. It's like having your own personal assistant right at your fingertips. And let's not forget about the energy-saving benefits of smart technology. With smart thermostats and light bulbs that adjust based on your habits, you can save both money and the environment. It's a win-win situation. So, the next time you're considering upgrading to a smart home, remember that it's not just about the cool gadgets. It's about making your life easier and more efficient. Embrace the future and watch your home transform into a smart sanctuary. Uplifting ending sentence, stay smart, stay connected, and enjoy the wonders of technology in your own home. Thanks for watching.